Yes, Junior on the job, and no, Tom the 85th.
No, Junior on the job, and yes, Tom the 85th. Junior on the Job is the worst children's animated series created by Play Kids, as it features Junior and his friends, Theo, Kate, Mimi, and his little brother Loopy, as they explore different jobs and occupations in the neighborhood. And Tom the 85th is an awesome character and from Talking Tom and Friends shows, and other Tom the characters.
That's it. You're extremely grounded for a week for saying that.
Go to your room right now.